You want to eat another onion? Do you like onions? Are those onions? You gonna eat it? Wow. You like that, huh? What do you say when you eat an onion? Are you gonna eat another one?
It's gonna get heartburn. Poor little kid. You're not gonna be able to sleep tonight. Don't eat any more
Keaton,
onions.
are they hot? Say hot. I can't eat onions like that.
Keaton,
Don't throw it at me.
say mommy.
Mommy.
Say daddy.
Daddy.
Say Lizzie.
Didi.
Say cheese.
This.
Say please.
This.
Say water. Say
All done.
more. Say all done. Say birdie.
That's hard when he just learned that yesterday.
Remember Birdie?
Say birdie.
Very good.
Say I love you.
Oh. Say SpongeBob.
Say bath.
Very
Say
good.
all done. Say SpongeBob.
Daddy.
Say SpongeBob.
Daddy.
What? Keaton. Say SpongeBob.
Daddy.
Say ball.
Ba.
Say SpongeBob.
Baba.
There he did it. He's silly. Don't
Say
throw
I
food.
love you. Say I love you.
You're gonna fall.
Blow kisses. Say ooh stinky. Stinky. Stinky.
Baba.